Hey everyone, it is Diecast Monday, and today we will be taking a look at this 1/18 scale Maisto 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. This is a full operational model car. It does feature opening doors, hood, and trunks, as well as operational steering, suspension, folding seats, and detailed undercarriage. Maisto actually made a 1/18 scale version of this and a 1/12 scale version of this. This one is painted in pink. However, Cadillac never actually offered pink as a color from the factory in 1959. Overall, it's a really nice scale model. Iconic tail fins. Love the individual bullet tail lamps here. And of course you have your backlights there. Eldorado script in the back. And of course your Eldorado plate. And this model is full of really nice detail. Chrome trim everywhere. Beautiful side profile. And of course it does have an opening hood. And it reveals the 390 cubic inch, 6.4 liter Cadillac V8. It does have the blue block associated with Cadillacs back in the 50s. The gold air cleaner. It does have red spark wire plugs, or spark plug wires. It does say Cadillac down there. You got your various mechanical bits, the generator, belts, all that kind of neat stuff. Alright, let's take a quick look at the undercarriage here. Detailed suspension components. Detailed dual exhaust. Running all the way down the length of the car. Up and under the differential, which actually moves with the suspension back here. Dual mufflers here, fuel tank here, and of course the tailpipes exit out the back. Alright, and of course the doors open up. One neat little detail here is the little red light here for safety. And of course you also have white door panels. Now the pink actually isn't from Maisto, and neither is the black down here. I actually did all that. So you have the power window switches here and all that kind of stuff. And as you can see, the interior also has the two-tone pink environment. I actually matched that myself. It's not 100% perfect, but it's pretty good. And I pretty much detailed the interior as it would have looked in the 50s. They were two-tone dashboards. They generally had black toppers, but sometimes you can get red or other exterior colors. Detailed steering wheel. Got a clock there. Cadillac wreath and crest. Large 120 mile per hour speedometer on the instrument cluster. And just some various dashboard detailing. You can also move the sun visors around too. It's kind of neat. And if you want to get to the back seat, flip the seat forward. And as you can see, it does actually tilt forward. And there's your back seat. Alright, let's take a look at the other side, passenger side. Now it does have dogleg hinges. I do believe the actual car did not have dogleg hinges, but more of that pink paint there. Seats tilt forward again. Some more of that dashboard detail in there. For an older Maisto, it's actually really, really good. And finally, let's take a look at the trunk. Just as a real Cadillac did, has a spare tire in the trunk, and it's a huge opening. And that does conclude our quick diecast review of Maisto's 1/18 scale 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.